Well, hey everyone, welcome back to Oregon Trails. I'm your host Jim. We've got sweet Miss Dee Dee over here, and we just made it to Sandy Creek Park in Jasper, Texas. This is another COE park, Corps of Engineer, and we are really starting to fall in love with these COE parks.
Yep.
There's not many people here. And I promise you the state parks are full and you can't get a reservation. It is triple digit camping, so triple digit into Teardrop. But guess what?
We got power.
We've got power, and look at this. This thing, it's got a covered picnic table, believe it or not.
Yes.
And, you know, got a nice little breeze going. It doesn't feel bad at all.
No.
Well, we just pulled in, so we're gonna get everything all set up. I'll see you in a few. We're at site number 52. Huge asphalt driveway. So you can put a really large rig in. It actually has water right there. 30 amps of electricity. That works really good. Beautiful pine trees, good sized campsite. Like I said, not a lot of people here. We got a really nice fire ring, so that's going to work good for cooking tonight. The covered area with the picnic table is awesome. Just a certainly added bonus that we really do like, and they all have one. And we're really close to the water, so you got water there, and I believe we got a little launch over here that we're gonna get a little closer to. Hey, I'm ready to check everything out, so let's take a quick tour. So you do have a boat launch out here. A lot of water. It's full. They've actually got their little pontoon boat out there. Pretty grown up out there, but you know, you go around the bend over here is where you can really get to this river or lake. This is the main boat launch at the Steinhagen Reservoir. Pretty good sized little lake. Real nice looking over here. That's the Gator area. You've already seen the little boat launch area, which is pretty shallow, but starts to really turn into something a lot larger.
Here, Gator, Gator, Gator.
How you find those gators?
No, mine.
I don't know if you'll find a gator, but you did find you a good looking shirt there. I like that.
Oh yeah.
Good looking shirt.
You can get our merch at touringandtrails.com.
Yeah, looks good. I tell you what, it's hotter than the 4th of July out here.
It is.
Wait a minute. Today is the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July, everybody.
It's not.
They do have bathrooms and showers, believe it or not. It's up to the COE standards, you know, just right above prison. So, you know, you got the no soap. You're not gonna get soap in a COE bathroom. The mirror is definitely like a sheet of metal, so you gotta pretend that you're looking at yourself. But hey, they do have bathrooms with indoor plumbing. Got some nice lakefront sites. Got number 50 over here. Look at all the shade. These are good spots. They're open. We got a few that are filled in over here, which is nice to see. They brought their boat with them. Good place for it. But there's a lot of open spaces. Another one with a boat trailer, so they're out enjoying the water. Or boiling on the water, maybe. So all this wonderful shade is brought to you by the Angelina National Forest. So Ratcliffe Lake, a few weeks ago, we were in the Davy Crockett National Forest. This one's a little further east. And the Angelina National Forest. Just as beautiful, pine trees everywhere. It really cools you down on a 100-degree day, so it makes it bearable. Luckily right now we are not in a burn ban. It's been a lot of rain still east. Hill country, central Texas, not so lucky, and south Texas, it's been very, very dry. But because we are not in a burn ban, we are gonna cook over an open flame. Sounds great. I don't know about you, but I feel like chicken tonight. All right, well, I ordered some cold snack holders. This one's still in the plastic. First one I've really looked at. Real excited to get these yesterday. Man, look at that. Got the logo on both sides. A cold snack holder is really useless if it doesn't have a cold snack in it. So we had to fix this one real quick. It's no longer defective. I don't have these for sale, but what I'm gonna do is if you see me in person, ask me, what's a cold snack holder? And I'll give you one for free. How about that? I haven't told her yet, but Dee Dee is on Gator watch tonight. So I've got some raw chicken and some bank line that we're gonna tie it on her, and that way later on when the gators go for the raw chicken, I'm gonna get out with the camera and we're gonna have some excitement.
And I'll get off and talk to you later. Okay, we will. Love you. Bye.
Hey. Hi.
Hey. Well, yeah. Yeah? Hello? What'd you say? Oh, I thought he hollered hey. He did holler hey.
Hey. Great. Hey, I've got a great idea. I've got some raw chicken and I've got some bank line, and I'm gonna tie it to Miss Dee Dee, and she's gonna be on Gator watch tonight, so we can have a good video.
No!
All right, sounds like we're all in agreement, so it's go time. They're looking pretty good. Little barbecue sauce. We're on the last turn. Got the oldies going in the background. I don't know, I'm weird like that. This music was made when my grandparents were sock hopping. Was that a thing? Yeah, I don't know. Beat me up in the comments. And then the little trees, looking superb. I went ahead and pulled them off so they don't get a little too soggy. Like I said, final turn. Get this chicken, because you don't want on to cook the chicken, right, Al? You know, I mean, that's going to be pretty bad. Anyhow, just having a great time, me and my lady here.
Oh, yeah.
Even when it's... A small one right there. Real deal, Holyfield. You see him? I can't zoom you in anymore with the camera. He's not but about 2 or 3 feet. I heard a larger one, but I don't want to take my eye off of this one yet. So we finally found one. Been all through Louisiana and Florida, but God bless Texas. That's where I saw my gator.
Yep, gator.
Little feller, but it's the real deal Holyfield right there.
And maybe we'll see a big one in a minute.
Maybe, or in the morning, because I'm gonna get out here early and do some gator hunting. I'm gonna throw her in the water. I'll have a rope on her, it's okay. Always a great night sleeping in that Teardrop. Going small is the way to go for us. You do what you want to do. But if you want simple, it don't get any simpler than that. So we've already gone to the boat launch over there looking for Mr. Gator. Didn't see anything. That's fine. It's not what we're really here for, although we saw that little one yesterday. Probably good not to get chomped up by one today. Maybe that's why today's great. But I'm going to swing back by the lake again before we hitch up and get out of here. Just a quick overnighter, so we got to move. And I know it may be hard to believe. I can barely believe it myself, but the mosquitoes have not been bad. I've been short sleeves, even wore some shorts. Yeah, I never do that. And I didn't get bit up. When it started getting a little dark last night, I sprayed a little bug spray around the ankles, but that was about it. And it was really because of biting flies. The little jerks were biting pretty good. But no mosquitoes. Not to say there's not mosquitoes here, because when you go to the restrooms, they like to congregate in there. It's very warm and humid in the bathrooms, and there's no fans. So it's just stagnant air in there and some water for them. So that was the only place I really encountered mosquitoes. There's plenty of other things flying around. I don't know what half of these things are, but they're having a great day, just like we are. Yeah, let's do the simple task of getting this thing hitched up and moving forward. Well, that's going to do it for this week's adventure at Sandy Creek COE. Telling you, I'm really starting to fall in love with these COE campgrounds. Spread out, it's not crowded, and I tell you what, those that actually show up to these campgrounds get outside of their RVs and actually enjoy the great outdoors. Well, thanks for coming along. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, drop in a comment if you have been here or if you've got another COE to recommend. And we will see you down the road.